Hey there, marketing monsters. Today I'm going to share with you one of our most powerful campaign types, a strategy that has single-handedly added millions of new users to top brands around the world. It's the Refer a Friend program. Brands like Uber, Lyft, Dropbox bake this into their offerings as they know just how powerful it is. Dropbox, for example, had over 2.8 million referral invites in a single month alone, thanks to a Refer a Friend program. The top brands capitalize on free referrals. It can lower the cost of acquiring a new user to close to nothing. With PerkZilla, you can leverage this strategy in just a few clicks using the Refer a Friend campaign. Everything is fully customizable. You can set your headline, your social sharing messages, your prizes, and you're done. We'll take care of all of the heavy lifting for you, auto-generating the unique referral links, tracking results, preventing fraud, and even automatically delivering rewards by email. In minutes, you're running the exact strategies that the pros use to turn customers into promoters, stacking word of mouth 24/7 and lowering your cost to acquire new users, all on autopilot. So get started today. We're happy to help however we can, and we look forward to growing together.